What'd you get for Christmas, Pickle Boy? Huh? What you got there? A computer? Your very own computer? Your own laptop? Play with it, Pickle Boy. Go bang bang on the computer. Pickle Boy, where are you going? It's a good toy. Where are you going? You almost got it, Nika. Pickle Boy, play with your new toy. Where are you going? Don't you want to play with your toy? Hmm? Look, Pickle Boy, I'll hand it to you. Okay? There you go. What's the matter? Is it scary? Pickle Boy, is it scary? It's not scary. Come here. Where are you going?
You can stay on Daddy. Go bang
There.
bang.
That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Play with it some more. Huh?
Like this. Go bang.
Good boy. That's it? That's it for now, eh? Okay.